guys, I wanted to hop on really quick right here at Close to show you some really amazing red pageant gowns. Last time I showed you guys some white, and then I'm just going to keep going through the different colors and pull in some really awesome dresses that we have still. So this one right here is a bright red satin. It does have a very full skirt. They did add an extra actual slip underneath, so it is very, very full. You can kind of see it where that train is back in the back. Which of course you can't see it when it's on the floor and it's actually on. So it's red satin, and then it is a illusion neckline right there with some red beading, which is absolutely stunning. It's gonna hit just not quite off the shoulder, but like kind of like here. So it's gonna show that collarbone off. It's really pretty there. The back of it, it's a really, really deep back, and then the same beading is back here on the back, and it is a zipper back. Like I said, it does have a slight train and plenty of fullness on that skirt. This is a Sherry Heel size 4. It retailed for $5.50 and we have it for $3.50. Alright, this next one, a very similar look and shape. The skirt of this is really fun and cool. It's very different, and it's absolutely adorable. This bodice here, it's kind of more of a red taffeta type fabric. The bodice here is just some, well, it's kind of like clear and then almost like a gold shade stones up there, and it is a sweetheart neckline. Then the back, nice and simple. Like I said, that skirt's actually super fun. And then this one is a McDougal. It's a size 4. It retailed for $500 and we have it for $199. Alright, velvet's a really great thing that's going on right now. This may be better suited for an appearance dress or a crowning dress. It's really fun. It could also be used for pageants. It just kind of depends on what you're looking for. I would consider this more of a miss dress because it does have a split in the front here. However, it does have a long, high neckline, and some people don't always like that for miss, but it does have some beading up here at the top of the neckline. Still an absolutely stunning gown. The back of it here is open here, and then it has kind of like a razor back at the top there. This is a zipper, and this is a zipper at the skirt. Like I said, it's absolutely stunning dress. That crushed velvet looks absolutely great. It's going to shine really well on stage, which is really pretty. This one is it's a size 6 and it is $2.99. Alright, next I have very, very similar to the very first one that I pulled out. This one's a little more simple. It has a 2-layered skirt at the bottom, and it once again is a very full skirt, but it does not have the extra slip underneath. It is that red satin. Right here, there's a cute little detail of this really cute red lace with some stones on it. It is off the shoulder, so it's going to be off the shoulder on both sides. And then there's the back. Really nice and elegant. You could definitely dress this up with jewelry. It's a Sherry Heel size 8. It retailed for $700 and we have it for $450. Alright, this next one's one of my favorites. This one could, depending on what you're looking for, could go anywhere between teen and miss. It could also, of course, always be for Mizarus or anything past miss that you're going for. This one's a jersey fit skirt, and then a fully beaded bodice, which is absolutely adorable. I love all the different stones and the way that it looks. It is kind of an illusion fabric there, but it's not particularly see-through because that illusion fabric is red, and then all of that stoning. It is just barely kind of a cap sleeve. And then the back is really pretty here. This whole thing is open, and then it's a zipper back. This one is a Sherry Heel size 8. It retailed for $400 and we have it for $200. Alright, this next one, I see this being more for teen or even for Mizarus. This one is a tulle bottom. It's kind of this like, what did she have it named as? She says burgundy, but it's almost got like a pink hue to it, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It has that horsehair trim on the skirt there, and then it's a lace on the top with pretty stones in between. This is a sweetheart neckline on the front, and then it has a little cute cap sleeve that is going to run slightly more off the shoulder, kind of like that other one I was showing you guys. There's the back of it, just really nice and simple. It is a zipper back. This one is a Sherry Heel size 12. It retailed for $400 and we have it for $240. Alright, and the last one that I have for you guys tonight, once again, a really great one that I could see for, you know, teen or above. This one is a red tulle skirt, but it does have, if I can pull it up and you can see, it is a white underneath there, so it is that underlay, and then the bodice has lace, and it does have that same white underlay. It's like it has two layers of the tulle kind of lace fabric, so that way that white doesn't shine through quite as like bright. It does have a beaded waistline here, and then it is a sweetheart neckline, and it is off the shoulder. So in case you don't know how these work, this little like elastic piece comes off the shoulder with you, and it helps hold it on, so it doesn't actually look like that on you. This will be, you know, together. In case if you had never worn one of these or tried one on, this is a zipper back, so nice and simple. This one is a size 14 for $3.50 here, and it retailed for $6.35. So that's just a sampling of our red dresses. We do have many more where that came from. We do still have a select amount of dresses that are 75% off. So if you are looking for, you know, fun fashion, and you need a dress that you're gonna have to, you know, you need to do some alterations to it, make it kind of your own. Or if you're looking for something for a photo shoot this year, and you want something that you don't have to ruin a super expensive dress. So come in and see that sale, grab them while they're still here. Definitely come and see us through the week. We're here 10 to 5:30, and then on Saturdays we're 10 to 3. So we look forward to seeing you guys. Bye.